My name is Vishal Shire. I'm from Aurangabad, Maharashtra. I've graduated in mechanical engineering in 2019 and I have a work experience of 25 months in manufacturing sector. Now I am pursuing my MBA from my IFMR GSB with finance specialization. Recently, I got selected in Credit Suisse under their 2023 Risk Change Summer Internship program. Credit Suisse is a leading wealth management and global investment banking firm. Moving on to my interview process. So I was asked a variety of questions ranging from my education background to finance and accounting basics to the recent marketing trends. Credit Suisse, it works over 50 countries. So I would be exposed to a whole new area of clients, which would provide me immense learning opportunities. Lastly, I would like to thank the Public Relations Committee and the Placement Committee of my college for giving me this opportunity.